Okay, that's insane. Alright, chat, we're on our way out. Cindy has her eyebrows on, so you know what that means. We're here with Dolly and Lauren. I'm gonna just curl my hair a little bit. And hopefully not burn my arm again. But we're going to the beach, to Carmel Beach. Anyways, we're going to Carmel Beach. Carmel by the beach.
Carmel by the sea.
Oh, by the sea. And there's supposed to be a bunch of like little cute shops, so I'm hoping that it works out, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. And then I'm not sure if Naomi's coming. Like, I'm not really sure who's coming. The plan is to meet up and to head out and come in, and then hopefully it'll be pretty poppin'.
Sorry.
You're good. Oh, okay. You want to say anything to our vlog? We're filming today.
Filming the whole thing. Filming the whole thing.
Yeah.
Howdy.
Howdy, partner.
I'm ready.
No.
No. Oh.
Put the fit on. We're gonna finish getting ready, and then I will get back on.
Going to the beach. Which one are we going to? What beach are we going to?
It's called
Carmel Beach.
It's for a little potty break. We're back on the road, Kayla.
Then I gotta show her Vicky.
Oh, Shakira. Shakira, what do you have to say about this?
Ole, ole, ole.
Oh.
I love football. I love.
Okay, we finally made it to Carmel Beach. We made it. Now we're looking for a place to eat. My hair is like actually going crazy, and I lost my adapter for my mini mic, so I brought it for nothing. We got the gals. We got Dolly coming. We have Sunday in the back. Looking for a place to eat because we're low key hungry, and yeah. So we're on an adventure to see where we go, and then we'll figure it out from there. But not much. Bubba, yeah! What do you want to say? You guys want to say something? I'm vlogging for Becca.
What's up, Becca?
Yeah, we're gonna be filming this for her. So
I'm just knitting this beach bag.
This beach bag while we walk.
Yeah.
Gonna
I
eat
was
just-
knitting while walking. Why can't I crochet while walking?
Okay. We are back to the car. We're going back to the car because there was no bathrooms and no food there. So
So we had to come back down.
hopefully you can hear me because I lost my stupid adapter and now I don't know if you guys can hear me. But we're on our way. If not, then I'll make this like a scenic montage kind of moment. We'll see. Okay, now we're recording. Serenity is sipping on that water. We got Kayla's lemonade. And then thank you. Orange juice. Cheers, peoples. First bite. Is it good? here with the girl Josie. Hi. Yeah, the best. And she pulled up. Cute. Period. Appa, you want to say something? Oh.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
He made us
Okay,
wait
we're
for
Pookie.
him to take pictures at the beach.
No, we're going down. We're actually gonna go to the beach now, like the actual beach, and not just like whatever. So we'll see how it goes and if we can actually find a place this time and not just like something light. Okay, what's going on, Dolly? Where are we headed? Yeah, I know. Again. Wait, but the red is not from the nail popping off, right? It's from the Cheetos.
This is from the Cheetos.
Can I see? Thank you.
I don't have the ring of fire. I'm terrified of that. Oh, I want to go to this little secret bookshop that I saw on TikTok, and it's around here, and I want to see it. So I'm gonna look it up again so I can find it.
Maybe it's closed because this shop is closed.
Nah.
Okay.
I would understand if it was Lord's Day, but it's not.
It's a Monday.
It's a Monday.
We can't leave the crew because mom gets mad.
I don't understand. She's pulling this up right now. This is a secret bookshop.
I don't know where that is though. But there's a lot of cute little things. So we're gonna look around. In the bookshop with Cindy. Cindy, what did you find? Period. Yes. Okay, Dolly got her ice cream. What you get, girl?
I got mocha fudge almond.
And I got pistachio almond. It's pretty good. I like it. Alright, we're headed to the beach. Now we're on the wrong side of the beach. So we have to go back to the car and get on the right side of the beach.
We went to the wrong beach.
Again.
And I haven't stayed in the ice cream.
Oh, really? Oh, that's what it is?
I think so.
I thought it was just like a little symbol. But hopefully this time we're on our way to the right beach, right?
What kind of symbol would that be?
I don't know. I thought it was like a little butterfly. And a little block. That's the side eye, Kayla. That's crazy. We're finally at the right beach. Kayla, we made it. What you got, Eli? Period. He's calling all the octopuses. Papi, ¿cómo va?
Okay.
Ay, estamos en la playa, papi. Ay. Okay, that's insane. Anyways, we're at the beach and we're gonna look for some seashells. But I think I'm gonna go put my phone down and I'm gonna take off my shoes and then we'll come back and look for some seashells. Okay, before the phone dies, what do you have to say, Mom, to be at the beach today?
It's hot and my hair's a mess.
Oh, okay, period. Okay.
Oh wait, so
What?
a hot mess.
Oh, gee. Anything you guys want to say for actually being at the beach now?
It's hot. It is very hot, and I found an iPhone.
Oh,
I wanted to keep it, but
Well,
it's
you
back
did the
with-
right thing.
it's back with its owner.
Period. her Cheetos. Don't play with her. She got her Cheetos.
Cheetos or Cheetos?
Cheetos.